Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get the new green status on Cash App, and I will also show you what it actually means for your account. So this feature is designed to show that your profile is verified, trusted and eligible for the higher limits. So let's go over what it actually is and who actually qualifies for it and how you can get it. So as I've told you earlier, green status is a new verification badge on Cash App that confirms that your account is fully verified and safe to transact with. It shows that your identity is confirmed, your activity follows Cash App's guidelines, and your account meets the trust requirements for the higher sending and receiving limits. Now, in order for you to be eligible for it, you need to be at least 18 years of age. You should have a valid government issued ID, and you should use your own legal name and have a phone number and email that match your identity. Now, Cash App also checks for the consistent account history, no suspicious activity, and that you haven't violated any of the security rules. So once you meet these requirements, you will see an option in your Cash App mobile application to verify your account inside the profile section. So after submitting your ID details and confirming your personal information, Cash App reviews your account. When everything checks out, green status automatically appears next to your name, showing that you are fully verified. And that's everything that you need to know about getting the green status on Cash App. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.